Configuring Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce is a crucial step in tracking and analyzing the performance of your online store. To get started, you need to have a Google Analytics account and a website with e-commerce functionality. First, you need to enable e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account. To do this, navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account. Select the view you want to enable e-commerce for, and click on e-commerce settings under the view column. Next, toggle the Enable e-commerce switch to the on position and click Next. Then, toggle the Enable Enhanced e-commerce switch to the on position and click Submit. Once e-commerce tracking is enabled, you need to add the required e-commerce tracking code to your website. This code tracks user interactions with your website, such as product views, add to cart, and purchases. You can use Google Tag Manager to implement the e-commerce tracking code. To do this, create a new tag in Google Tag Manager. Select Google Analytics as the tag type, and choose the track type as transaction. Then, configure the tag to fire on the confirmation page of your website, which is typically the page users see after completing a purchase. In addition to tracking transactions, you also need to track product impressions, which are the products users see when browsing your website. To do this, add the product impression tracking code to the product pages of your website. This code sends data to Google Analytics about the products users are viewing, including product name, category, and price. Best practices for configuring Google Analytics Enhanced e-commerce include ensuring that all e-commerce tracking codes are correctly implemented and firing on the correct pages of your website. It is also important to test your e-commerce tracking setup to ensure that data is being sent to Google Analytics correctly. You can use the Google Analytics debugger to test your setup and identify any issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure Google Analytics Enhanced e-commerce and start tracking and analyzing the performance of your online store. This will provide you with valuable insights into user behavior and help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and improve sales.